Hey everyone, and welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at a trade-in that we just took in. This is a 2019 Harris 250 Grand Mariner, so it's a 25-foot tri-tune right here. We do have our docking lights up here, flip-up cleats. This has the black powder-coated fence railing and the gray exterior. And as we look up top here, this is a sports tower that does fold down, and we have also a bimini top up there for sun protection. Also have a diving board on this boat, which is a neat feature. Ski tow bar, and then this is powered by a 300 Mercury outboard. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. Starting here on the stern of the boat, this is a traditional center walkthrough right here. We do have our two transom loungers right here. It's a great spot to relax and hang out. Since we have our safety railing back here as well, it's going to be legal for passengers to ride back here underway. And this also has a transom remote with the cup holders all around. They do have lighted cup holders. And then coming up here towards the helm, another seat off our port side, and then our captain's chair does have a flip-up bolster. High back chair right here, really comfortable, and it can adjust as well. And at the helm here, we do have a storage compartment, and then our standard tacks and gauges. This is powered by JL Audio, so you're gonna have great sound quality on this boat. Tilt steering wheel, and then also our digital throttle and shift. Since this has a 300 Mercury outboard, you do get that DTS. More storage underneath the helm right here, and then Harris does a great job maximizing their space on their tri-tunes, putting in the in-floor storage. A lot of room to move about the boat. Up here in the bow, we do have our armrests to flip down with cup holders, and just a fantastic pontoon for entertaining with your friends and family on the water. Again, this boat's located here at our store in Rogers. Come on by, take a look, give us a call. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.